All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. How is the noise level in your city? Or is your city noisy?
Yes, I live in city Lahore. It is very noisy city because there are so much traffic in.
There is so much traffic.
There is so much traffic in roads and everywhere. So because there is too much population, since last 10 to 15 years, the population has increased very much.
Okay.
So overall noisy city.
All right. What is the main source of noise in your hometown?
My hometown, the main reason is traffic because I live near main road. So that's why main reason is traffic.
All right. Is there air pollution in your city?
Very much. Even the Lahore's number is on the top of the list of polluted cities in the world.
All right. Do you prefer to live in a noisy place or a calm and quiet place?
Obviously, I can't prefer.
I don't prefer.
I don't prefer in polluted or a noisy place.
I need a full answer. Carry on. Speak more.
I love to live in very comfortable area, and luckily I'm living in DHA, so I think this is a very good area of the city.
All right, that's good. Try to speak more and try to speak confidently, and you should answer. You should try to speak in one go. One go means without taking any break. Okay? Yes, for part 1 especially. Let's go on. Speaking part 1. How often do you use mobile?
Sir, every single time I used to use mobile, and my family and my friends are very disturbing for this kind of activity.
My family and friends get disturbed because of this activity.
That's why I uninstall Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I think now, a few days back to now onwards, I a little bit lesser user before I did.
So you uninstalled Instagram, this,
Yes.
and then sell your mobile?
Before I did.
So if you no use now. Okay, let's
Thanks.
go on. How often do you use internet on your mobile?
Sir, nowadays, because today is the 21st century, every person uses every single single time you have to use internet online, because if you go anywhere you need to Google Map. If you have to find out something, find out new things, you just check it out online things. Google and online has lots of information. That's why we need to use every single time.
We need to use internet every time on mobile. Every single time is not correct. Every time, right? On various occasions,
Okay.
like that. Okay, let's go on. Would you like to buy a new mobile handset?
Of course, I really need a new cell phone, because my current cell phone is very its situation is not good. Situation is not good. Even my wife supposed to me, you have to change cell phone as soon as possible. But I told him
Your wife is she, yeah? I told her
because nowadays for current situation I can't afford the new cell phone.
All right, that's good. Overall, fine. Keep it up. Practice all these topics,
Yes.
and answers should be readily available. Okay, good job.